top 5 freelance websites that actually pay. Listen, there are a lot of freelance websites online, but not all of them are worth your time. Some pay very little, some are overcrowded, and some are just flat-out scams. So today, I'm going to show you 5 freelance websites that actually pay and can help you start making money from home. Website number 1, Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance platforms online. You can find jobs in writing, customer service, graphic design, virtual assistants, social media management, video editing, and more. Many beginners start here to build experience and long-term clients. Website number 2, Fiverr. Fiverr allows freelancers to create service listings called gigs. You can offer services like logo design, voiceovers, editing, social media help, resume writing, and more. Website number 3, PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour connects freelancers with businesses looking for remote help. Popular categories include writing, design, marketing, admin support, and web development. Website number 4, Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com allows freelancers to bid on projects from companies around the world. Jobs range from data entry and customer support to coding and graphic design. Website number 5, TopTal. TopTal is more advanced and focuses on highly skilled freelancers. This platform is known for connecting top talent with high-paying clients. How much can you make? Freelancers can earn anywhere from a few $100s a month to full-time income depending on their skills, consistency, and client base. Some freelancers charge hourly, while others charge per project. Freelancing is one of the best ways to build income from home because you can work on your own terms and grow at your own pace. The key is to start with one skill, stay consistent, and improve over time. If you want more work from home jobs, side hustles, and ways to make money online, make sure you like this video, comment freelance, and subscribe, because I post opportunities like this every single day to help you make money from home. See you back here tomorrow.